Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Hubs again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a TikTok account with your Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your TikTok with your Facebook account, or to register your TikTok account with your Facebook account, let's open up our TikTok app first. After opening your TikTok app, the interface will be something like this, or with your own stable contents. And on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile button. And over here, tap on profile, and after that you will be shown this interface. You can see the login or sign up option available over here. Tap on login or sign up, and you will be shown the same interface like this one, where as you can see the continue with your Facebook available over here just below the use phone or email. Tap on continue with Facebook, and you can see I have already logged into my Facebook account on my phone. That's why it's directly asking me to continue as then, which is my name. Let's tap on over there. But you can be required to log into your Facebook account if you have not saved it on your password. For me, it will be this one, and let's tap on next, and let's tap on OK. And let's again go to the Facebook, and you can see, guys, we have successfully logged into our TikTok account with our Facebook account. This is my Facebook account, and dear guys, by now you will also have been logged into your TikTok with your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.